We all want to be a lot more successful in our lives, and there's a very, very simple way to actually do this. And in today's video, I'm going to go through with the most simple and easiest, best way that you can actually hack your personal growth and 10x your success in a very short period of time. A lot of major successful people have done this in the past, and they find this is the exact same thing that they've done to get the best results for themselves. And that is getting yourself a mentor and quite literally copying everything they do play by play until you can replicate the success for yourself. Now, a lot of people kind of go out there and watch YouTube videos or do a course, and they take the information that they get and then they try and iterate it too soon and try and make it their own, or try find some kind of shortcut or way around the process to get the same success for themselves. I'm going to tell you right now, that's not how it works. Like, honestly, the best way that you can actually become successful in a very, very short period of time is just quite literally copying or modeling yourself after the person you want to be successful, or someone you find successful in your way you like. By doing this, you'll have the exact same strategy and plays that you can actually use to get yourself to that position you want to be. Now, obviously they may have a few extra little bits and pieces which they have their secret sauce, so to speak, which will get them further, but by copying or modeling yourself after these successful individuals, play by play to the exact T, you will find that you will actually get yourself become more successful than you are right now and get yourself to a new level where you can play on a different field. Now, this is important that you don't iterate too early, because if you do, you're going to be missing out on certain key elements of what they've actually done in their strategy, because there might be certain things which you may not have come up against yet, where they have gone through the process of having to deal with the complaints, deal with stresses, deal with obstacles and hurdles, which they understand if that comes in along their path, they can kind of get past quite easily. Now, if you try move away from their strategy too soon, you'll find that you won't be able to kind of get past or that hurdle, and you'll be stuck at that same level. So you literally want to try and model yourself exactly play by play to a point where you actually are better than them, or you can't kind of progress any further than where you are at the point. Now, like I said as well, the people who created the strategy, they also probably got a first mover's advantage in that kind of niche. And you probably find this with a lot of like marketers and stuff like that, where they implement a new strategy with Facebook ads or Instagram ads and whatever, and they have like the exponentially larger sales than what you have when you try to do it yourself. But doesn't mean that you can't implement that same strategy to get similar results or some kind of result for yourself, which will get you further than where you are right now. So with that as well, one of the things you should look at doing is contacting or reaching out to the people who are most successful in the field that you want to be working in or working on, or an area you need to improve upon. So if you need to improve yourself in marketing, contact or reach out or follow or model yourself after the best marketers in the field. If you need to be better at sales, do the similar thing with sales, because doing this will teach you the skills and tactics and strategies that you will need to improve yourself in those areas, so you can actually grow your business, grow your social media, grow your marketing, grow whatever it is you're trying to work on at the time. So that is the best way that you can actually become 10x better than what you are right now. So modeling yourself after somebody who is already successful and getting yourself a mentor to teach you the steps and processes and strategies that got them from where they were previously to where they are today. I hope this video has been useful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave me a like, because it really does help me out. It lets me know that you enjoy the content I'm producing. And drop me a comment of what you think about this strategy, or what you found worked for you in the past. I'd love to hear it from you guys. And I'll catch you guys again in the next video. Cheers.